Nihan and this is my kitchen. If you're confused, don't worry. I feel like that all the time. Now, if I say the word paella, many of you will instantly think of seafood. But not all paella is about seafood. Watch and learn. In this pan I've got 3 tablespoons of olive oil over a medium heat. I'm going to add in 300 grams of chopped chicken and sizzle until it's all browned. See how my pan spins? Woo! I'm using chicken thigh in this because I always think it's much nicer, much more succulent than chicken breast. Anyway, when the chicken's all coloured, remove with a slotted spoon onto a plate and put to one side. Now add in 1 small onion that's very thinly sliced and 100 grams of sliced mushrooms and cook gently. Once the onions have gone translucent after about 3 or 4 minutes, add in 2 very thinly sliced cloves of garlic, mix well, and then continue to cook for another 3 or 4 minutes, during which time the onions should start to go sticky. I like the look of this, so I'm going to add in 20 grams of finely diced chorizo. I don't want too much, I just want to add a subtle note in there. Here's another subtle note. And I've got 50 grams of sun-dried tomatoes that I've cut into strips really, and add those in. Mix around and cook for 3 or 4 minutes. Now I'm going to season well, add back the chicken, together with 150 grams of arborio or paella or risotto rice. Mix well. Then add in 350 ml of chicken stock. Bring to the boil. When it comes to the boil, splash in a tablespoon of dry sherry. Now turn down the heat and let it simmer gently for about 25 minutes. Bubble, 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 bubble. Now you'll know when it's cooked because all the liquid will have been absorbed and the rice should be tender. Lovely. And now the final touch, which might upset a few people. Sprinkle on some grated manchego or other delicious Spanish cheese. Don't go mad, just a sprinkling to add some extra notes. Get your chops around that. So there you go, a delicious chicken and sun-dried tomato paella and not a shrimp inside. Hey, go away, I'll get to you later. Join me next time in my kitchen. Subscribe or not, I really don't care. Until then, bye!